Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. We should include seasonal fruits and vegetables in our daily diet, which will keep us healthy and fit. So today I am here with a tomato ketchup recipe. Nowadays, we cannot imagine our kitchen without a tomato ketchup. So frequently we purchase it from the market. But these tomato ketchup are fully loaded with preservatives and high amount of sugar, which is harmful for our health and may welcome many types of diseases. So homemade tomato ketchup is best option. So let's get started for our ketchup recipe. We can select red and juicy tomatoes for our tomato ketchup. Wash it nicely, and now we have to steam cook these tomatoes. There are various ways of cooking the tomatoes. You can add it in water and boil it, but here I am steaming it so that the vitamins and nutrients in the tomatoes will be intact. So just keep some water in a thick vessel for boiling, and you can keep the tomatoes above it for steam cooking. After 5 minutes, you can see the tomatoes are fully cooked. You can see the skin has ruptured. This is the right time to switch off the flame and allow these tomatoes to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Now the tomatoes have cooled completely. We have to chop this roughly and grind it into a very fine paste. No need to remove the seeds, because after the paste is ready, we are going to strain it in a strainer. So we will get a very fine paste or the tomato puree from this. For making tomato puree also the same procedure is used. Just you have to remove the skin, but here I am not removing the skin because we are going to grind it into a very fine paste, so no need to remove the skin. So after grinding, you will get a very fine paste. You can see the color of the tomatoes. Remaining batch also I am going to grind it. While making tomato ketchup, remember to take red tomatoes so that we get the desired color for our ketchup. If the tomatoes are not red, you can add a little piece of beetroot into it so that we get the desired color of the tomato ketchup. Now we will strain this so that the seeds and the skin and whatever residues are there, that will be removed, and we get a very smooth and fine paste or tomato puree. So our red and thick puree is ready. We have not added any sort of water into it. Now we have to add some ingredients in this before cooking again. Add little sugar. So sugar we can add as per our requirement. About 3 tablespoons of sugar is sufficient for 1 kilogram of tomatoes. If you like more sweetness, you can add more amount of sugar. Even you can replace this sugar with jaggery also. About half a teaspoon of salt. About half a teaspoon of black salt, about half a tablespoon of dry ginger powder. Mix all these ingredients nicely and cook this mixture until we get the desired consistency of the ketchup. Keep on stirring continuously. Now I am going to add about 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. If you are adding normal chili, you can reduce the amount. Kashmiri chili powder gives a very good color to our tomato ketchup. So after some time, you can see the consistency, it is becoming thick. Now I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This will give a good shelf life to our tomato ketchup. If you don't have vinegar, you can replace it with tamarind juice or even lemon juice. Switch off the flame and you can transfer this now into a serving bowl or into a bottle after it is cooled completely. This tomato ketchup remains in fridge for about 2 months, and from 1 kilogram of tomatoes we can make about 300 grams of tomato ketchup. So you can enjoy this hot and sweet tomato ketchup with samosas, kachori, pizza, sandwiches, and kids even love it with parathas. So hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.